Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a business address to your Facebook page. Adding your address helps customers find your physical location and improves your page credibility. We will walk you through each step to add or update your business address. Let's get started. On your Facebook dashboard, go to your page. Click on the profile icon for your account and then select your page. Once you're on your page, click here. Make sure you are on the right profile, then click here. From here, we can edit the page details. Go to Details and edit the personal details. This is where we can add the business address. We can also edit the hometown or add locations here. Click the Edit option under the Address section. Click this, and we will see the location options, such as Florida or other states. We can add the hometown here. Once done, click Save. The business address is now added to the Facebook page. We have successfully added the business address. Customers can now easily find and connect with the business.